Today, we will be making this beautiful mini hair bow. It's super easy and perfect for beginners. Let's start. We'll begin with this 17 cm long ribbon and 8 cm long ribbon. We will cut this one into a V shape. It looks like this. And we will heat seal the ends so it won't fray. And make your needle and thread ready because we will be using them next. Just poke the needle in the middle and the other one. And next is our next two ribbons. And we will position the ribbons like this. Wrap the thread around and gently pull while shaping the bow. Wrap it around again to secure the shape. Next, we have the 14 cm long ribbon. Next is we will cut a shape from this glittered canvas. We will now glue the pieces together. Piece of ribbon for our centerpiece. will attach the hair clip. Now, to decorate your hair bow, you can use any embellishments you like. For this tutorial, I will be using snowflakes with little rhinestones on it. I got these embellishments online. If you like them, I've included the link in the description below. And it's finished! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other tutorials for more ideas. See you next time!